Hey everyone, welcome back to SL Brokerage Hub. Today, I'm excited to share a powerful secret weapon for dropshipping and e-commerce, introducing PPSPY. PPSPY, short for Product and Performance Spy, is a powerful Shopify analytics tool that helps you uncover what's really working in e-commerce. It's the go-to tool for dropshippers, e-commerce marketers, and Shopify store owners who want to stay one step ahead of the competition. In this video, we'll be talking about the key features of PPSPY and how you can use them as an online seller to grow your Shopify business. We'll cover everything from sales tracking and competitor monitoring, product research, and store market analysis to theme and design insights and traffic and ad research. So let's dive in and see how PPSPY can help you stay one step ahead in e-commerce. To get started, sign up through my affiliate link in the description below. Once you've created your account, download PPSPY and install it on your browser. It only takes a few seconds. Once logged in, open any Shopify store, click the PPSPY icon, and instantly view estimated sales, top products, traffic sources, and even their themes. Let's start with sales tracking and competitor monitoring. This feature allows you to see how well Shopify stores are performing, including your competitors. You can track estimated daily and monthly sales, see which products are best sellers, and even monitor changes like new product launches or price updates. It also provides estimated revenue and growth trends, so you can understand what's driving success in your niche. In short, PPSPY helps you stay one step ahead by learning directly from your competitors' data. Next, we have product research and store market analysis. This section is where you'll discover trending and high-potential products across thousands of Shopify stores. You can filter by sales, price range, category, or country, and instantly spot products that are starting to go viral. PPSPY also gives you insights into store performance and niche growth. So, whether you're finding your next winning product or exploring a profitable niche, this feature will guide your decisions with real data. Design plays a huge role in conversions, and PPSPY helps you learn from the best. Under Theme and Design Insights, you can instantly check what Shopify theme a store is using, whether it's a free or premium one. You'll also see their layout, design structure, and user experience, perfect for getting inspiration for your own store design. This feature helps you understand what kind of visuals and layouts make top-performing stores successful, so you can improve your store's look and feel. Finally, let's explore traffic and ad research. This section reveals where a store's visitors come from, such as Facebook, Google, or Instagram, and shows the ads they're running. By studying these ad campaigns, you'll learn what kind of creatives and marketing strategies actually convert, helping you build smarter ad campaigns for your store. This tool saves countless hours of research, helping you find winning products and identify market gaps before anyone else. Try PPSPY today to revolutionize your e-commerce strategy. The link is in the description.